Hi, today we have Fiat Grande Punto. I'm going to show you how to change the exchange heater. The exchange heater is located inside the cabin. And it's on the left side of the vehicle. We have to pull out this plastic cover. There are two clips, and after that we can remove it. So now we can see the exchange heater. Let me just get a flashlight. So now we can see the exchange heater. Next I'm going to open these two bolts that hold the metal brackets of the heater, where the pipes are connected. They can be opened with Torx 25. I have opened the bolts, but I made a small mistake. They can be opened with Torx 20, not 25. So now I'm going to widen a little. Now the coolant is drained from the system, because previously I had been working something else on the vehicle. There is a pin, there is a plug on the coolant radiator that can be opened with 13mm wrench, and from there the coolant can be drained. Now, because the system is empty, I'm going to skip that part. You can see there is still a small amount of coolant inside. So now I'm going to pull out the exchange heater. Because the vehicle has been driven with only tap water, and that's why the exchange heater is the canals inside are stuck and they are corroded, and that's why it wasn't heating. So now I'm going to install a new one. Here I have a new exchange heater that I'm going to install in the vehicle. This is the part number. So now you can see inside there are two pipes, but the pipes on this vehicle are okay. If they are leaking, then they should be replaced, but to replace them you have to remove the whole dashboard and everything from inside, so you can replace the pipes. But this one were okay, that's why I'm not going to replace them. I'm going to replace only the exchange heater. This is a self glue. I have to remove this, and then I can glue it all the way around the exchange heater. And here we have here some plastic connectors. Also we have new O-rings. We can use the new ones, or we can install the old ones metal brackets. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to replace the new O-rings because I don't want to leak. I have installed a sponge, so now I'm going to install the exchange heater. Also I have replaced the O-rings. So now I just have to pull down a little the aluminum pipes, and now the exchange heater is in place. Also the pipes are in place. So I'm going to install the metal brackets. Like this. So now I can install the bolts tighten them with Torx 20. I have tightened the metal brackets, so next I'm going to refill with coolant, and I can start the engine and check the when the engine is hot. I'm going to check the temperature of the exchange heater. I have refilled with coolant. There is a bolt here that can be opened with 10mm wrench. That one is for bleeding the coolant system. So now I have to wait for the coolant to start leaking from this hole. After that I'm going to return the bolt and I can start the engine. Now it started to leak from the plug, so I have installed the plug. I have refilled with more coolant. Next I'm going to start the engine. So now I'm going to let the engine to work until it reaches normal working temperature, and then I can check how the heater is working. The vehicle has been working for a while. So now we have normal working temperature. I'm going to check for any leaks. There are no leaks. Everything is looking good. So now I can install a plastic cover. First I have to slide this part here at the front, and then I can press the two pins here. That is installed. Now I can check the air. I have set on hot. Now we have hot air. Yes, everything is okay. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.